In the heart of Chicago, 1886, a city bustling with the clamor of industry, the air heavy with the smoke of 1,000 factories. The city was a haven for immigrants seeking better lives, yet a harsh reality awaited them: long hours, low wages, and dangerous working conditions. The yearnings for change were palpable, and the workers, led by the visionary August Spies, began to rally. They demanded 8 hours for an 8-day workweek, a simple yet revolutionary demand in an era of relentless exploitation. The movement gained momentum, but not without opposition. The city's powerful business elite, fearing lost profits and wielding immense political influence, did all they could to stifle the uprising. On May 4, 1886, a peaceful demonstration turned chaotic. A bomb was thrown into the midst of the police, sparking a violent clash known as the Haymarket Riot. The city erupted in fear and anger, with the authorities swiftly rounding up the movement's leaders, including spies. The ensuing trial was a spectacle, a show of power by the city's elite. The defendants, including spies, were charged with conspiracy and murder, despite little evidence linking them directly to the bombing. The verdict was swift and harsh. 8 men, including spies, were sentenced to death, a verdict that sparked international outrage. The world watched as the 8 men marched to their execution, their cause becoming a symbol of workers' rights and the struggle for justice. The Haymarket Riot marked a turning point in the history of labor rights. It served as a rallying cry for workers across the globe, inspiring movements for fair treatment and better working conditions. The legacy of the Haymarket martyrs lives on, a testament to the power of collective action and the indomitable spirit of those who dared to challenge the status quo. In the years that followed, labor unions grew stronger, and workers' rights became a central issue in the political discourse. The Haymarket Riot demonstrated that change could not be achieved without struggle, and that the pursuit of justice, no matter how difficult, was a fight worth fighting. The echoes of the Haymarket Riot still resonate today, reminding us of the power of collective action and the importance of standing up for what is right. The story of the Haymarket martyrs serves as a stark reminder of the past, a call to action for the present, and a beacon of hope for the future.